because she was ratchet. And then she rubbed my nipple on titty too down my arm. Because she ratchet. And then she thought I liked it because the bitch is fucking ratchet. And then she said that she tried to save my life. But bitch, look, do you know I tried to save your life? And you think that I want you? I don't want no fucking night because she ratchet. She ratchet. Oh, she ratchet. And then she tried to touch me from my nipple, from my arm. The dyking ass bitch. I think she ratchet. She ratchet. Nasty ass hoe. She think that I want her. No. Oh, do I want her? And I seen her at the corner store buying a 40 and she buying a for loco. Coco, Oko, Loco, and the bitch is stupid nasty. She rubbed me from my nipple on to my shoulder. And then she rubbed down. I'm like, damn, bitch, you ratchet. And then I had the mother in her face. She got bed bug. You about the bed bug. Oh, I think she did. I felt a bug hot on my arm and my weave. Oh, shit, I think she ratchet. Why would she play me like she ain't ratchet? Oh, I think the girl is ratchet. She ratchet. And she said, I'm a transvestite. Bitch, you ratchet. But you still and your man still want to have me. And you said you want a threesome with you and your baby daddy. Oh, you are nasty. Oh, I think you're nasty. And I had to move you because I think you are ratchet. Oh, I think that hoe, she is ratchet. And she tried to touch my nipple. That bitch ratchet. And I think she's fucking gay. She's ratchet. What is wrong with her tonight? She's ratchet. Oh,
you told me to turn it on.
She's ratchet. What's wrong with that girl? I think her front lace wrong. But I don't think she had no front lace. I think she had naps. And a whole ponytail full of fucking naps. And she tried to touch me and she rubbed me from the back. Bow. 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 Oh, she's ratchet. What's wrong with that girl? I think she's ratchet. My wig coming off because I think she's ratchet. What's wrong with that girl? I think she's ratchet. Let me fix my wig because I think she's ratchet. Oh, what is wrong with her today? She tried to touch my nipple and I don't even play. Hey, 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 I think she's ratchet. What's wrong with that girl at the store? What is wrong with that girl at the store? Oh, I think she's ratchet. What's wrong with her man? Oh, he's ratchet. And his hair is so nappy. And he had a do-rag on, but it's supposed to be white. Oh, but I think it's gray because he's ratchet. Oh, a gray do-rag because he's ratchet. Wig coming off front lace ratchet. I think he's ratchet.
She done now.
Are you done, Keena?
Nope.
You got some more?
They're ratchet.
Can you got panties on?
Yes. Panties.
I'm not filming your ass, Keena.
Don't show the ass, mama. Because I got them on. They ratchet. I'm tired of this shit. Goodbye. OMG. What did he have on? He's ratchet. That front lace is all wrong. Because he's ratchet. Huh? I swear I think they ratchet.
Okay, okay.
Put it on YouTube. Because they ratchet.
You are so going to be on YouTube.
Oh, well. Because they ratchet. You see the side of that hair. That's what she look like. And she ain't got the wig on, but she's a dyke. The bitch is ratchet. Her hair look like this. And I got to put the wig back. She's ratchet. Oh, because the hoe is ratchet. That's what them ratchet hoes look like. They ratchet. They be in the club like this. Because them hoes ratchet.
Careful, Keena. Don't hit your head,
Ratchet.
honey.
I'm trying these ratchet. Weak ass hoes. They ratchet.
Honey, please. Stop.
Joy, this is going to be $1 million here.
They ratchet.
Get a
What?
Go get a million hits off
What?
this shit.
They ratchet!
He said we're gonna get a million something.
They ratchet. They ratchet. They ratchet. What's wrong with these dykes? I swear these dykes want to touch everywhere like I'm Mike and
I
Ike.
told you it was
They're
gonna be on
ratchet.
both titties soon.
Like Mike and Ike. Ratchet! Mike and Ike. Ratchet!
Shut off, Ernie. Stop it.
Keena, are you okay, girl?
Mike and Ike is Candy.
Candy. Ratchet! Ratchet!
Ike Candy.
OMG. What do she have on? She ratchet! Girl, bye. I'm about to put this heifer on Twitter. She ratchet!
Follow me on Twitter. Tell them follow me on Twitter.
I don't got no Twitter page.
You will soon.
Girl, bye. I'm about to put this bitch on picture. She ratchet!
Don't fall, Keena. Don't fall,
I'm not
baby.
gonna fall. Cause I'm ratchet! Ain't this how they look? Cause they ratchet.
Ernie, cut it out.
No.
Ratchet!
Keena.
This how they be.
Okay, Keena, baby.
Ratchet.
Your wig came off.
Oh well, I'm about to put it back on.
Okay, baby.
OMG, what do she have on? Ratchet! Girl, bye. I'm about to put this shit on Twitter. She ratchet! Ratchet! Oh, and I'm about to put it back on Twitter.
Oh, God.
Ratchet!
Ernie is crazy.
Yeah, Ernie's the crazy one. Yeah.
Ratchet! Girl, bye. I'm about to put this shit on Twitter because I'm ratchet. These hoes want to talk like they is my friend. These hoes saying that they Chucky, I'm your friend. To the end, child's play, baby. I don't think so. No. I'm from the DYT. Do you see my hair? Oh. And I swing it everywhere. I'm putting it back on my head right now. Bow, 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 bow. Hit her flocker style. Bow, bow. Hit her flocker style. Do you like my hair? Do you like my weave? Cause I'm ratchet. I'm ratchet. Oh. I'm ratchet. Oh. What do they think? Cause I'm ratchet in this place. They want to see me and tell me something else. Cause I'm ratchet. I'm ratchet.
Ernie keep wiping his eyes. He's sad over there.
Ratchet.
He keep wiping his eyes.
Ratchet.
He ain't say
Woo.
nothing.
Ratchet. This is the real deal ratchet. Ratchet. You see my dress and you see my necklace. Bow, bow. Oh, where the Jerry bees at? I think I lost them. Oh. Where's the Jerry bees? Cause they think that. Oh, there they go. Oh shit. Jerry bees. I think I was on Jerry and I got my bees. Ow. Bow. Bow. And I'm super ratchet.
Yep.
Ratchet. Do they know that meaning?
You wanna close? You wanna say
No.
goodbye to all your fans?
I don't got no fans.
You will
See
after
this?
you will after this, baby. You will after
Where's
this.
the fans? They don't love me in these streets. The
Okay.
streets don't show love. Ha!
Okay.
Whew.